Fine. So let's start the
This
remaining
recording is
part.
set.
Yeah, it's started. So now what we will do, we going to design our form content. So who all had not attended the form, means suppose that if anybody had missed, so let me go one time. Okay. So you will got that idea somewhat regarding the form. Where is that? Open with live server. Yeah. Okay. So see, you can see here, first name is something, then one input field, then last name something, then input field, and then one button. Okay, this very thing. So how we writing that form? So for writing form, what we have to do? First, we have to take one form tag itself as like a div. Okay. So what are you thinking? This form tag is semantic or non-semantic?
Semantic.
Now that is somebody will think what this animal name is, this semantic or non-semantic. Still
Makes
we was
sense.
going we was going on block level and inline. Suddenly it came semantic and non-semantic.
Semantic
So
means makes sense.
what are you thinking? This form element is semantic or non-semantic?
Obviously.
Shivani, Shivani, Pooja, Sweta.
Semantic.
Yeah, what is this? Semantic
Sir, that
means,
makes sense.
and non-semantic means?
Like a header, div, paragraph.
Okay. Sweta, what are you thinking? Semantic means fast, fast. Five. This time is 5:06. 6 o'clock. This document have to complete. Okay, so you have to fast. I have to configure Git also. So please keep your finger on the mouse pointer on mute button. As you got, unmute. Yeah, fast. What are you getting from the semantic and non-semantic? Any idea or no idea?
No, sir.
No idea. Fine. Pooja,
No, sir.
no idea. I know that because these both guy had not gone through the document and not even gone through the video tutorial remaining. Amol, what about you? Are you also same type? Amol,
Semantic, sir.
semantic. What means semantic?
Sir, HTML as the semantic element can you define a different part web page.
One more time. What you told?
Sir, semantic element can be used a different part web page.
Okay. So what is the meaning of semantic? Means what you understand from the semantic?
Sir, no idea, sir.
Then what is the you had given, man? This is new like. Okay.
Yeah.
So see,
3 Idiot का डायलॉग हमको याद है कहना क्या
really, what he told I can't get. He told
कहना क्या
something.
चाहते हो?
He even telling I don't know. Okay. So semantic and non-semantic, that is two term. Okay. And that is available in HTML last document. That's why I had told just to go through the video, then you will get more and more idea regarding that one. So semantic in the sense senseful, meaningful. Okay. So suppose that came to here. Suppose if we writing H1, are you getting any sense from this one? Means any normal person can he get anything from this
No.
H1?
No.
Samir, let it to be 1 second. So what are you thinking, Amol, Pooja? With from this H1, any non means a non-IT or just normal person will got some idea from this H1?
No.
No idea. Let it to be header. What you will get idea? You will get some idea from here. This one header.
Yeah, sir.
Pooja, Sweta.
Both will give, sir.
What?
H1 is for heading
No, no.
only.
I telling you have no any means just you can ask this thing from your parent. Okay. What he will get? He will get anything from this H1. From this
Raw,
H1,
raw,
he will get any sense that this you want to tell anything like that, nothing. But when you coming header, something somebody will know. Header means it like a header section. Means it is on some head like that. Something, anything he will got, but something sense he will got. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
But from H1, nobody can get anything. Now, same thing, P. We can't get anything from the P. Somebody will think this is like ABCD. Correct? So this not giving any sense. But come to here. If we taken body, will you got any sense or not?
Yes, sir.
Body means something body is there. Okay. Next. Then div. Will you got any sense from div?
No.
No sense. So these are no sense means non-semantic and sense means semantic. So can you tell now some text, some tag like semantic and non-semantic?
The table.
Okay. Okay, set table, let it to be. What you thinking? Table. Amol. What you thinking? Table is senseful or not?
Senseful, sir.
With the help of table, you will easily know that this is related to something table. Let it to be. Take that title. What are you thinking from that title?
Sense.
Title, it's telling something. Title is that. Correct? So it's making sense. Fine. Now go with form. What are you thinking from form? Will it something? It telling that form is that one. Means with the help of that, we can easily got some form section. Correct? Means in real time also, we know that form means what. Clear or not? So,
Yes, sir.
clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Now this video tag. What are you thinking? Will it semantic or non-semantic?
Semantic, sir.
Semantic, because some sense is coming. So same thing, we can go block level and inline. Okay. Don't think that semantic and block level, this both different. No. If suppose, if we taken div, okay. So div is block level or inline. What type of element that is? What type
Block
of element?
Block
Block
level.
level. It's a block level
Block.
element. Okay, block level. And what about semantic and non-semantic? Amol?
Non-semantic.
Non-semantic, because no sense is there. Okay. So block level and no sense. Let it to be other. UL. What are you thinking?
Semantic, sir.
Non-semantic.
Who telling
Semantic.
semantic? How you will
Non-semantic.
got? Are you getting any sense from UL? What sense you getting? Are you getting anything?
No,
No
sure.
sense. No sense is there. If you will search in Google, what Google will give you? Will Google will give something? If you searching this one header, Google will give some meaning of this one. Correct? But when you will take suppose that I tag means for italic, what Google will give? Alphabet order. That's it. So this type we are finding semantic and non-semantic, and in interview they are asking this thing too much. Okay. So just while revision, try to go through the video and try to complete that one time from the YouTube, which I had shared the link. This was the important for that part. Remaining all are like YouTube, Google Map, how you can add multiple videos and those things. Those are just basics. So now what we going to do? So we take in form. So what are you thinking? Form is semantic or non-semantic?
Semantic.
It's a
sir.
semantic because something that we getting some sense, correct? So Amol, no required that much long definitions. Directly you can tell simply semantic means senseful, non-semantic means non-senseful. That's it. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Had you seen 3D? Sorry, 3 Idiot.
3 Idiot. कहना क्या चाह रहे हो?
So I like that you speak. Okay,
Like,
no issue. So see what we taken two field. Okay, how we will take two field? Let me remove this. So how we creating form, that we will see. So first we have to take for the form, we have to take that form. Okay, clear this one. After that we have to take input. Okay, what you want here? Tell me something. Registration form. Suppose you going to create your email or Facebook ID, something, Facebook account. what you going to look there field? What are the fields available? Tell me.
Sir, username.
Okay, 1 second. Sweta, tell that what are the fields you getting when you creating TikTok video? Means TikTok account.
First name, sir.
First name.
Yeah, first name. Okay, and friend name.
Sir,
Next.
last.
Okay,
Last
last.
name.
Okay, next Amol.
Number, sir.
Number. Okay, mobile number. Okay, that is the main thing. Okay,
Email
mobile
ID.
number. Email ID. Fine. Email ID. Next.
Birth.
Gender.
What?
Gender.
Gender. Okay, next. Date of birth. Anything more? What about password?
Password.
Okay, this much field is required. Let it to be. What we will do, we will create the form with the help of, means in our form, this much field should be. How we will do? So what we will do, we will take input. Wait 1 second. Before that, we will write this all. Okay. So we will not write directly like that. See, if I will save, you got this one. Okay. But we will not write like this. What we will do, these all are known as a label. Correct? First name, last name, these all are like a label. Label in the sense on the top something heading. So we will take one input, means we will take one field that is a label. Okay. When you will write label, automatic you will got. So here you have to write what you want, what you want to tell to user. Enter your first name. Let it to be enter first name, enter name. That's it. Enter name. Clear? My first name, my last name got in this one. Let it to be. What is second? Second level. Amol, Pooja, tell. What will be second level?
Input maybe, sir.
Mobile number. Clear? So enter, enter mobile number. Next, what is that? Shivani,
Email ID.
email ID. Fine. So let again we will take label. Okay. And enter email ID. enter. Next, email ID. What about next? What required? Gender.
Gender.
Oh, what happened? LABEL label. Okay. And right here GENDER. Gender. Next.
Date of birth.
Date of BIRTH birth. Next.
Password.
LABEL label. Label. PASSWORD. Password. Fine. So we taken these all. Okay. Just save and let's see. Control F. Yeah. So what happened? We got the same thing. No any changes. What we will do? We want. Okay. We taken that label, whatever label is there. Yeah. Who telling?
Okay.
So next, what we will do? We got that label. Something is there. Then we want in the new line. What we will do? We not want like this. What we will do now?
Using
BR tag.
BR.
Let's pass BR tag for right now. Let's and after that we will look what we can do. So here BR tag, here BR tag, BR tag. Here also required. Let it to be. So we got BR tag. Now we taken enter name, email ID, password. That is just label where they will pass that data. Means name. Where they will write your name. Means where you will write your name. So for that we have to take one input field. Clear? We will take one input. That is known as input. Now when we had written input, so see one time I will go this one. there is one label that is a tag name. This for, I will show you what it will do. For right now, just left. Don't think that this is for of grammar. No. Then whatever you want to outside, you can write here. And we are going for breaking purpose because inline is just block level element, correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Inline
Yes, sir.
label is block level element, correct?
Yes. Yes.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Element, sir.
Inline
But
element.
it's a line.
Yeah, then why you not a speaking? Nobody has spoken. Because that's why we had pass here BR tag. Okay. Because that due to inline, I want in the new line. That's why BR tag I passed. Second, what you thinking this input inline or block level?
Block level.
Input inline, sir.
Your input, I
Sir.
think, line.
Who telling this block level? See, this is input field, and after that, this mobile number is coming there.
It's in line.
Inline element. So again, we will pass here BR tag. Save. Oh, got it? Or any issue? Now what I will do, I will not keep like this both open. I will pass inside one div.
Yes,
Fine.
sir. Yes, sir.
Like this way. And for this div, we will pass one class. Okay. And what will be the class name? Now the naming convention is the matter. So which block this is? This is for name block.
So, name.
So pass that name underscore BLOCK block like this way. Clear up to this?
Yes.
Pass ID and class for this also. Wait 1 second. Don't pass this class. Pass this ID. Class is not required now. We will look later. Pass here ID. See, this ID and class is not only for form section. It have to pass in all section. So what is this actually?
Name
we
label.
pass name label. So don't pass
Underscore
like
label.
that. First pass a label. Just write LBL label and a name. You can pass underscore name. Got it? But don't give this a small letter. Pass that first letter is capital. Same thing do here. That is B. Clear up to here. Anyone having any issue up to this? Then for
Sir,
input,
you told us ki when we take a capital letter,
Hmm.
then we have to remove underscore sign.
you can do that. No issue. Can't
Told
remove.
us.
Due to
Yeah.
camel case.
Yeah, we can remove that. That's not an issue. So what you
Okay.
thinking this one? This will be again enter name input field, correct? So we can just pass
Input name.
name. Just
Underscore.
write like this name field. That's it. Fine. Any issue up to this? Anyone? I'm going to design that first completely one block, one div, and after that we will move in the second. Clear up to this? Now,
Sir.
what I want here, I want to show the user. Say when you opening any form, you getting something here, like you can pass your name, enter your name. How that will come?
Placeholder. Use placeholder.
So one thing. Come to this line of code. This input in the sense input tag. Okay, whatever means input means it giving permission to enter something like that. You can think input. Next is ID. Already everyone know that. Every ID means targeting something. Next is type. With the help of type, it will tell you which type of data you going to enter. Suppose that if I take in text, okay, pass anything. I passed the number also and I passed the ABCD alphabet also, capital, small, anything. But remove this and pass a number. Type equal to number. Save. Now you can't pass here alphabet. See, I trying. Wait. Right. See, now I trying, but it can't. Why it's easy taking? I think it considering something like number. That's why maybe exponential. But when you passing number, it will work because it taking that type is number due to that one. Clear? See, When you will click this automatic, you will get number. Clear? Anyone having issue up to this? Tell me.
Oh, sir.
No issue. So same thing I will do for the other also. Okay, just I will copy paste. What was our next block? Next block was this one. Fine. So enter mobile number. Clear? So what will be this? Okay, let it to be enter mobile number. Fine. Copy this again and paste. And take this email ID. I going to left. I going to take this gender. Take this gender, label gender, and pass ID also. Then next take mobile number. Take this date of birth also. Date. DATE, date of birth. Fine. Next take this password. Okay, fine. Let it to be from here. Password. Where is that? ENTER enter PASSWORD. Enter password. Clear? Anything filled? Any field is remaining? Only email I not taken. Not an issue. So be taken this all field. Now you have to help me in correcting this all thing. So name block, it's fine. This block, no issue. What about this one? Tell me first. Which block?
Number.
See,
Mobile.
first means this thing. Nobody even speaking.
Mobile.
MOBILE, mobile, and then input field. Take this MOBILE, mobile. Now you can imagine if we will go by, okay, let it to be mobile completed. Fine. We got enter mobile number second. Then third is gender.
Sir,
Remove
type
this.
telephone now.
Let it to be.
Mobile.
Let it to be now. Then gender.
Type.
Fine.
Type radio.
Radio and TV, let it to be. We will come. We will purchase a new, no issue.
Send money.
You sending? Take my number. If you will send, then why we will not take? We will accept that. Whether that will be not working, that also we will accept.
Okay.
When you means when you sending, we will wait for that. This password. Don't worry. Don't deliver TV. Just give that party itself. That's fine. When you giving party.
Good.
If anybody will tell me this much, I will give him 5 times. But this much from yesterday we are telling.
I told you
Yes.
your idea yesterday.
What you told?
Party from our money which we gave you.
Oh, and that gone in the account.
Shivani, give party one time or till 5 year give 5% of your enhanced salary per month.
Shivani, that is deal. Really, you want like that?
Sir, I confirm to you party. I have job to first
Oh,
your party.
that's fine. I got agree. But see, Shivani will never give. We had told this much time yesterday. But she telling no. We have means she telling that my salary is
But I
low.
have no money.
How she telling salary is low?
I have no money.
4 lakh package is there. Then she telling low.
But in hand I have no money.
Not an issue. You have to just keep satisfied that I am 4 lakh package. That's it. You have to imagine like this way. Okay, so what we had done, we taken field. Just go with the naming convention, everything should be proper. Don't make these all things now onwards mistake in anywhere. Whether you're going to take image or table, anything, you have to be like this way. I taken one div section, okay, and this all div completely inside one form section, okay, and these all form are in the body section. So make this. This is one div section. Inside div, what I had done, I had passed one ID, fine, and I pass one label. For label, I had passed one ID, correct or not? And for input, second is input, and for input, I had passed a ID. Means for all
Sir,
case,
what
I
is
had,
the-
yeah, carry on.
Sir, type is equal to text number there.
Okay. Wait, let me, we will come on that. So in all case, we had taken ID, okay? Means in all case, you have to take ID. Don't ignore this thing. Means when you practicing, now you means say whatever practice you had practice HTML, and see one thing I will tell regarding practice, don't copy and paste that code only. You have to paste, copy and paste, but go one by one. It will better if you will write yourself that code. Then you will get all code idea. And one thing, while practicing, don't paste and you got the output, that's fine. No, you have to be clear regarding each line of code. Each line in the sense, each line in this, whatever attribute is written. Suppose that div, okay, what div is going to do. Second, ID, what ID is going to do, and what is ID, like attribute, this ID style, these all commonly known as attribute. So what ID will do, ID is known as attribute. How we can pass, what is the use, this all thing you have to clear. If you have doubt, keep that and just ask, drop message in WhatsApp. Okay, you have to be clear regarding each line of whatever text you going to write, means from top to bottom. For each thing you have to be clear. Then only you will get more and more idea. Got it or not? I had told that practice means not that you have to just practice. No. But one thing for regarding folder structure, as I had told, you have to create a dev-wise folder, and inside a dev-wise you have to create a file as like 1.2.3.4, whatever you want. If you want, like suppose that you had practice a table, then image in same content. What you can do? Take this 1.html, means not if you want something different type, you can write like that. One, give a space, suppose that a table, give hyphen table, table, like this way. Got that? One underscore table dot html. What you will get? First, you will got the sequence that this is in the first of the content. This will came in the top content. Then it will second to something to underscore image dot html. So this way you will get idea regarding that particular. But don't practice blindly that just you writing 5 line of code. That's it. Amol had sent yesterday. I seen just 5 line of code in his document, all document. If suppose there is just 5 line of code, then why I taking 2 hours in one document? 5 line means how much time it will take? 2 minutes. That's it. Then where that all gone? Don't practice like that. I had not told to just complete your means just a duty, not like that. Okay. You have to complete all line of code. You have to be clear regarding whatever you had written. Then only you will realize that programming is too easy. Otherwise, you will feel that this is too complicated. Okay. Even you have to start writing from line by line. This also how it's writing, because many time in interview they are telling that write from starting. They will not give you editor and they will tell right. That time you will face the issue. That's why just go through the one line of code. Means a meta tag, that's not an issue. Okay, nobody will tell you write meta tag, not an issue. But this section like doc type be taking, then HTML, then head, inside head title is there, then something like this way. You have to be proper. So from tomorrow onwards, don't do like that. Nobody. I will not see a single thing like that. If you had done, today I will configure your Git. I will delete your file. That's it. Then again you have to do all the thing. You don't know the power of Git. Okay, that's why. See. So what we had done here, we had taken input field. So now we will go one by one input field. Who is sending this? Amol Pawar. What image he sent? some screenshot. So what are you thinking? Enter name. This will be, what should be the type? Who is doing? Don't disturb. Where is that? Okay. Who all is there? 12 member. Amol is there. Dharmendra. Okay. Afroz, Praful, Ritvik, Roshan, Shivani, Pooja. Geeta is not there. Where is Abhishek? Ritvik, where is Abhishek?
I don't know. I even not checked that who members are available.
Just now I seen Abhishek is not there. Can you call him one time?
Yes, I did. Yes, I
Just to see. So
Okay.
see what we going to do in the input field. Now we have type equal to number. Let's see. Enter the value. Let's me. My name should be ABC something, but it's not coming. Number should be. Is this correct? Pooja, is this correct? No. Okay. If not, what should be the type? Because that is due to type. Sweta, what are you thinking? Type should be just a control and a space. Let's see what suggestion you getting. We got this much suggestion. Okay. What should we be take? Text. Let's see. Text is there. Yeah, text is there. So save. We saved that file. Now see. 1, 2, 3 means now it's working fine. Correct? Remove this. Means first field is okay. What about second field? Second field is input mobile, enter mobile number. I will pass here BR tag. So we will get one space. So second, what should be?
Tell, sir.
Second should be mobile number.
Yeah.
Yeah, fine. Let it to be. Not an issue. You can take another also option, that is a tel, TEL. When you will search that, then you will got that tel. Tel means a telephone. But if you will take that, then also it will work, because validation side you have to do this all. See, this much not a big mobile number will be. Okay, that's it. But see, what is the difference when we take a number and when we take a tel? Can anyone tell me? If not,
Yeah,
you
sir.
can just
Some
Yes.
increasing bar in this section, sir.
no increasing bar. Which one? See,
I
what is
mean,
the
Take number.
increase.
okay? 1 second.
You
Yeah,
right.
what
you
Shivani?
enter one, you can.
Okay, 1 second. What Shivani you telling?
Yes, sir. Same.
No,
Just one.
the code,
The right side.
the India code 9.
Sir, all bar is coming.
Come scroll. Yes.
See, what is difference? When we taken type equal to number, we got this drop down. Okay, it will help you in getting the number. Got this? But when you taking tel, see, mobile number, yeah, TEL, tel. Save. Then we not getting that drop down. Correct? That is the main difference. Clear? Type equal to.
Sir,
Yeah.
can you pass the limit in telephone number, sir?
Yeah.
Max length. Yeah.
That's it. It's not increasing. Okay. If I taking only 2, pass the value. That's it. Got it. But see, when we had taken that tel, TEL, we can pass a number also. Means sorry, alphabet also. See, now we can. Then what is the difference? Is there any difference? Had you observed? No difference. Okay. So don't take tel, take number. It will be fine. But here we can take one max length property is there. Attribute you can tell. With the help of this, we can define the maximum length, how much digit you want. Mobile number should be 10 only. Then we can pass that 10.
Sir,
Okay.
country code 2 number is there, sir.
What?
Code, sir. In India, 91 is the code, sir.
You can pass that. That's not an issue. Take 2 more. Means you want 10 plus 2.
That's 13 digits.
Sir, plus also, sir.
Wait one
Sir,
thing.
Plus also.
9-1 can be used in placeholder.
Let
and
me remove that. I understand you all. Now it's fine. How much you can
Yeah.
take? There is
Yeah.
no restriction. Okay. You can take plus 9-1, minus 9-1, anything. No problem. Okay. Now, second, next is gender block. In gender, what you getting? Only 2 things you be getting. Either male, female, like that, drop down or radio button, something like that. There will be not input field like this way. Okay. So type equal to what should be? What you thinking? Type equal to, see here.
Radio.
Type equal
Radio,
to
sir.
radio. So take type equal to radio. Now see, when we taken this, it came something like this. You can check that. But one problem is there. We taken gender radio, fine. So here something name should be. So take that male. Fine. So this type that radio will come. But one more we want. Wait 1 second. Copy that and paste. Okay, we got this type, but we not want to break into new line. Remove this BR tag. Fine. This way we
Yes,
got.
sir.
Clear? So this is for the gender purpose. Here you can select this. And what about this? Both got selected.
Sir,
How we
pass
can?
same name, sir. Same
One
name,
second.
sir.
1 second. 1 second. Pooja. They had teach you that a form also. How you can separate this one? Means how you can make only one should be clickable. What property? Had you studied this or not?
No, sir.
No.
Sir,
Only
look.
this much.
What?
I know only this much.
Sir,
Which much?
we will also give, sir, title name.
Radio.
Radio. What you telling, Roshan?
We also give title names.
Where
Yeah.
title name? Where?
Also there use
Where I can't get actually. One time.
label.
Which line? You telling label, okay?
Yes. 34 like number.
Okay.
We
So
use,
where
sir, title name. Yes.
Means where you telling me to write?
Can I
Tell
use?
me.
Can I use a title name?
Okay. Where you telling me to write? Tell me.
In input ID, gender field name.
Input ID, gender field. Okay. Okay. Here you telling name, that title.
Yes.
So see, now I telling. So see, for making that
Same
this
and name and title are same, sir. Name and title.
Yeah. 1 second. We are coming on that. So what we will do for making this like a grouping together. Okay. We have to tell that you have to tell that how you can combine. Means how you will know that this all 3 radio button, 4 radio button, these all are same. Suppose that I taking one more radio button. Okay. So how you will know that these all 3 radio button working for one task. Okay.
Yeah.
How it's working for one task. Now, if you will select, see, this also got selected, this also got, and this also got. But we not want like this. We want only one should be. So in that case, we have to tell that you all 3 are for gender part. So how we will do? We will do that with the help of a name property. Okay. In name property, we can pass something, anything, A, B, C, anything you can pass. So I will not pass that. I will pass a gender. Fine. I passed gender. Do one thing, copy this complete, this one, name property, and pass below also. Same thing do for here also. Okay. Now be done. gender in all case. So what now they know this all three, that these all are for one part because the name is gender in all case. So see that clicked, click, click, only one. Clear? But do one mistake, just pass S. Now see what will happen. This got clicked, fine. This female got clicked, means any of male or female because both have name gender. But what about the third? Third have name S, means genders. So see, both got clicked. Clear? So with the help of a name property, we can make a relationship with that. Means we can combine all together like this way. Clear or not? Next. Clear? Sweta, Pooja?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So wherever it required, you can do like this way. In gender case, main thing is this one, name property and type equal to radio. We will take type equal to radio. That's it. And for writing this name outside, you have to pass outside. If you want that name should be like outside, means after radio button. So do one thing, just cut this line and paste last. Okay. You will get the radio button here. Then same thing do for this. Got this? What are you doing? I not want that text should be in the first. I want text should be in last, like this. Then I take in male, female, then others, like this way. Clear? Okay. Next. What about date of birth? But we had taken date of birth equal to number. Fine. So how you thinking date of birth be going to enter? Like text?
No, sir.
Okay, 1 second. Like this way we will enter. Correct or not? Pooja, Sweta, Mol, Shivani.
Okay.
I called this much name, but they giving
Yes.
only one. Is this correct?
Yes, sir.
This correct. Okay. Had you any time enter by yourself a date of birth? It's like this way.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No?
Calendar.
Calendar, yeah. So that's I asking. Calendar should be required. So remove this text. Okay. And take a calendar. What is that? Date. Date time. You can take a date. Okay. Take this. Now you got the calendar. Click this at the calendar section. Calendar get open. Which area? Which year? I will not ask date of birth. I selecting somebody's date today. Okay. So this way we can change that. Clear? Next. Password. What are you thinking? Password will be number, text. Sweta?
Password.
समीर भैया सो रहे हैं क्या? समीर भैया सो रहे हैं क्या?
तू बीच में डिस्टर्ब क्यों करता है? समीर भैया सो रहे हैं और जाग रहे हैं, पहरा दे रहा है, ये लग रहा है।
सही है।
ये महान है। जागते रहो कर रहा है बैठ के ये। बीच में फ्लो ब्रेक करोगे ना भाई, गायब हो जाएगा पूरा टॉपिक, बता रहा हूँ सच में। फ्लो बीच में ब्रेक हुआ कि गया, फिर मैं रिकॉल नहीं कर पाऊंगा, सच बता रहा हूँ।
Sir, the type of password will be password, I think.
Okay, so password. So in password can be text, Pooja. Type equal to text. We can pass anything. Correct.
In password, we can take numbers also.
Password.
Everything.
Yeah.
No,
Okay.
Pass.
We can take this also. But had you enter any time password and it's looking visual
Sir,
completely here?
Hidden,
No,
sir.
It's
Hidden.
not. Always it coming like hidden. Who telling hidden? Okay. Means type equal to hidden. Take that.
No,
Is
sir.
any hidden
That
type?
is to
No,
password.
sir.
Means whenever we are entering password, always coming like bullet sign. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Bullet type only coming where? List style type. Bullet. Correct or not? So what we will do, we will take here type equal to password. Okay, and now let's see. Got it? This is the type equal to password. It got encrypted. Who is on unmute? Please mute. So this way we can encrypt and decrypt. In JavaScript, we can see that how we can take this all data. So anyone having any issue now tell me up to this field.
So password in sir another form we can see there one eye, sir. When click is visible or
That is not part of HTML. That is part of JavaScript.
okay, sir.
That we can encrypt and decrypt.
Sir,
That we will. Yeah.
password can use a number and type. Can first letter is capital.
Now you can pass anything in there, but you can't see what you had passed. We will look this thing in the JavaScript. Okay.
Okay.
When we will move that these all form data, whatever we had we enter, these all we can collect. Okay. We want one more field about education. Qualification. ID. What was that? UALIFICATION. Qualification and BLOCK block. Okay. Qualification block. Level. UALIFICATION. Qualification. Fine. And we will take this qualification field. Fine. And type. What should be type? Qualification. In qualification, what you getting term? And see, whenever password term will come, automatic you will get this pop-up and you can see that what I had entered. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And here you can save or not save. Like that you can do. Okay. So in qualification, what we can, okay, enter. How you are selecting qualification? You are entering, correct? CLECT, select HIGHEST, highest, QUALIFICAT. Ignore the spelling mistake. Don't blame me that grammar mistake. Okay. Okay. So what we want, what I had written, select highest qualification. Highest qualification means what? How you will pass? Like this way we can pass UG or PG. Yes or no?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Then what are you thinking?
You can pass drag and drop
Drop
also or
down.
checkbox also.
Okay. So do one thing. We can take a drop down or checkbox. Wait. Got it. Terms. Terms. Okay. Input type. Okay. Label is coming there now. And input is coming there. Okay. PLEAC, please accept. CPT accept terms and CONDITION condition. Let's it away. Please accept terms and condition. And I want this. Remove this one. And I want this. Okay. Press. Yeah. So we taken this way, but here we pass back. Let's see. Yeah. So what we had done? Yeah, that highest qualification. What you will take? That will be drop down. Fine. So we will take the drop down. We not want the like this way. Okay. Then input type is that type equal to check any drop down is there. No, that is not. Okay. So drop down, how we can take? Can anyone?
Sir, we have to take select tag.
Yeah. So we
Inside
have to
it,
take a,
take option.
so we have to take a select. Okay. And inside that option will come.
Take option.
Select tag and then we will take option. Option. Okay. And value is there. So what is your qualification? Suppose that 10th. Fine. Take that option again. Okay. 10th, then 12th, then UG. Fine. Then PG. Let it go. So whatever be passed, 10th, 12th, UG, PG, these all will be displaying on the UI. Wait, now take this ID. I not want this section. Pass here. Select. Save. We got that. So whatever be passed here, 10th, 12th, UG, PG, these all are just visible on the UI. But whatever you will pass in the value, it will go in your database when you selecting. Means after selecting, this will give you the value. Whatever value you will pass here. So I will pass a 10th. Means now if anybody will select this, why this much? If anybody selecting 10th, then in your database also it will go 12th. Okay, like this. When we will work in JavaScript, then you will see this, how that this is working. Now we are not covering. So PG, let it to be this. Fine. So yeah. Next, please accept the terms and condition. What you getting in this case?
Checkbox, sir.
Right mark.
Checkbox. What you getting? What, Sweta?
No, no, no.
No, you had told something.
No, nothing, sir. That right mark is
Yeah, right mark. So that tick mark that is coming due to checkbox. Okay, we will take the checkbox. So see, now you can select and unselect. Got it? This is that. So we actually, I had tried to cover here all type of input. That my motto actually, and I covered actually. So this much is important. And last, final is which one? Button. Okay, so button you can write directly also, or you can take input type, that also. Both have something difference that you will see when you will work in the JavaScript. That time you will realize that what is difference in both case. So take that type equal to button. Okay, but if be taken by type equal to button, nothing came below of the checkbox. What is the issue? Where we will write, as like in all case, we had pass a label for writing something. So write that submit. Is this correct? Where we will write this submit?
Value.
Yes. So we will take a value. Value and pass submit. And save. Now we got the submit. These all are my form. Now you can book your account here and you can start your TikTok.
Clear data button also. Reset button.
That not required. Why we will reset data? Already be going to fill data. Be going to take, means we are spending 5 minutes for that filling data. Okay, so this much line of code we had created. Now next, what we want? We going to fill the data. Okay, just who going to first registration? They have to pay 500. Who will be the first?
Sir, you.
Okay, by OEO.
No, sir, you. Partial, sir.
I not I not going to pay.
99%.
Tell mobile
You
number.
have to pay 500 to yourself.
So see, we enter the data. Now next radio button, that gender, we can select anyone. Okay, all got selectable. So select here, then date of birth. Just click this icon or in the middle also, I think it will work. No, you can directly pass here. See, you can pass by the with the help of keyboard. Okay, first, then something. See, when you selecting this, it coming Jan Feb like that. So up and down arrow marks of the keyboard. You can go this way, and here you can pass something. What is this? Oh my God, this much type of year they're taking. 2020. Okay, so this taken this way. Otherwise, just click this and you can select that. Clear? So this way radio button is working. Sorry, date is working. Next, password. Enter that something. Okay. Next, what was this one? Qualification. What we had taken this? Sorry, this is radio button. What we had taken this one? This is a drop down. Okay. So now see whatever value you had passed, all came here. You can select any value. Select PG. Everything in the PG. Okay. And suppose that, yeah. So wait, I will not reload the form. Yeah. Next is checkbox. Select the terms and condition, and now you can submit. Okay. And see, I showing you. Wait. I will what I had taken form action equal to what? Get. Sorry, action not method. Method equal to get. Let's save. Why that's not giving? I think due to server. Input ID gender male, found 3 element with non-unique ID. Oh, see, when you going and you have same ID, it giving warning because in gender we had passed the same ID. See, and what we had told, ID should be unique. That's why. So what is this? Male radio button. Not that where you getting error something. That error not going to disturb you anything, but just it's giving warning. There, DOM. DOM means now warning gone.
And object model.
Yeah. So that is document object model. Clear? So we design our form. Just let me check where is that method action. That is method itself. Yeah, we passed method also. But why this server is not given? Let's go with a pen in file explorer. Yeah. Who is calling? Okay, let's open this. Submit. File number. I trying something, but that not giving. Enter mobile number, submit. I taken input type equal to this one. Comment this and take a button. Yeah, and like click. Now just see. What it had done. Please enter a valid value. Okay. So see, here we got something. Correct. Value equal to gender equal to on. Means, see, when we study PHP, suppose if you will study PHP, then you can post this all data, means whatever data is there, this all data here. Okay, in URL case itself. For that, I think a name field is required. Let me take that 1 second. Name equal to name. Let's save. Let's see. Actually, we are not using this thing, but I trying that one. Yeah, it given. So what we have to do, we have to pass the name property in all. Then you will get that whatever you are entering in this field, you will get that all data in your browser here, URL. I showing you. Wait. What about server case? Here we getting or not? Yeah, there also. So it will work there. Okay. So what I will do, I will pass the field name in all case in input field. Okay. As in radio button, what we had done with the help of a radio means a name property, we had got that which radio button that is. Means like for the making relation. NUMBER number. Okay. Then don't take in this section. In this, I think you have to take value or something. Let it away. No issue. Just we want something. That's it. Name equal to DATE. Date. Then take here name equal to PWD. Password short form we can write like this way. And here you can take name equal to and QUALIFICATION qualification. Then input field. Yeah. Name equal to TERMS terms. Okay. Let's save and let's see what it's going to do. Okay. So we will pass something. Then what is this? Tab button. Let's enter password, then select something, then something, click. We got this data. Got it? In the URL case, you got all the things. Now copy this complete and paste somewhere. So see what it had given. You can realize easily, you will get that here number means here it had separated, and then here it separated, then this separated, then this separated, then this one, then this one, then this one. And you got something here. How we got this data in our URL? Many time this one, see, we had passed a name equal to something that is coming there. Number equal to be passed something. In gender case, it giving on because radio button is that one. So I think that there was some different property with that we can get that one. Let it to be. Date we had get something. Then password whatever we entered. In qualification we had taken 12th. Terms equal to on because it got selected. So something for this also we have to. So you can anyone tell me how we got this all data in our URL here? Can anyone? Samir, Amardeep, Dharmender, anyone? What we had done previously,
Name, sir.
we had passed a name property in all case. Okay, this one fine. One more thing we had done, then only it came there. Can anyone?
ID.
What? ID. ID already we was taking
Method,
previously.
method, sir.
That was method. In the form we had passed the method, and due to method it get all the data in the URL. If you will remove this method, and see different method is there, get, post. Go with post method, and then let's see, you will not get this data. Wait, let me reload this, refresh this one. Okay, And now do this. Let it to be this much only. Save. What happened? It has reloaded our page, but we not get that data. Okay, that is the thing. So whenever we will pass a method equal to get, then we will get that. Okay, and it will give you all your data.
Okay, that data is storing.
No, we not
console.
storing anywhere. No, not even console. Just due to method get method, it will pass this all data. Means, see what method is telling actually. With the help of method, you can means what action you going to perform. Like if you had a given get method means data will came in your URL. Okay, whatever you will pass. But when you will pass a put method, then data will not came in URL. It will hide. Okay, but whatever next you want to pass that data in the database or whatever, you can do that operation. But due to get method, you will get that in your URL. So many time you will see that when you entering data, automatic in the URL tab, your name is coming like that. Okay, due to that itself. Got this? This is not required, no issue. Don't worry. Because we will study JavaScript and Angular, then we will get more and more regarding these all things. This will not come in JavaScript because we are studying something different. Clear? So what we had done, we had created our form. That is the main case. Remove this input type also. Oh, we had done what we have done. We had to pass a name property in all case. Okay, and value property. Okay, I not want that enter your name should be empty. I want something ABC, something should be available. What I can do? Can anyone? Placeholder, fine. Let's it to be placeholder ENTER, enter name. Correct? So I got enter name. But when you will put cursor over this field, put cursor and start writing. Where is your that text? Enter your name. That got hidden. Correct? Because that placeholder. So placeholder we can pass in all. Okay, it is not compulsory in this field only. But I not want this placeholder. I want something by default, some name should be there. Placeholder means it will gives idea to the user that you have to enter mobile number, you have to enter email ID, you have to enter name like that. But I want some data should be pre-filled. Pre-filled in the
value, sir.
So we can go with a value. As like you can see that drop down having that. See in drop down, what we had passed value text. In radio button, what we had passed, we had written outside. Okay, so we can pass here value, and due to value, if you passing suppose some data, some name A, B, and C, this name will came there. Okay, if you will put cursor, now see this data is pre-filled. Now you can start typing. Got this? Got idea how we can pre-fill the data this way? Anyone
Sir,
having any
space in the browser? Space between block. Yes. Enter name, mobile, space.
Enter name and mobile number. This block you're telling. Yes. So I had taken this a BR tag.
After BR tag also, it's come in another line. No,
yeah. Due to this itself, everywhere I had taken
sir,
BR tag.
Sir, taken 2 times BR tag.
Yeah. See, here I taken BR tag 1 after label. Then this label came. Okay, wait 1 second. Remove this BR tag. Oh, 1 second. Save. Now see, enter your name, and this input become in the same line. Now pass here BR tag after block. Fine, and save. It came down. Now I want this both block to be separated. That's why after div I taken one BR tag. Clear, Pooja?
Okay. Clear.
Yeah. If you want, you can remove this BR tag. Last, it's not required because already be taking in the overall outside. Clear? What I want now, I want to make a design. Okay. What you can do? Can you make some border over this one? What is the border property? Fast. We already covered 6 and 15. Border property. How we can make border? HTML, CSS border.
So we take
Style.
You're telling a style, fine. So let's take that style. Okay, I want to make that border on the parent. Which one we want? We will take on which one? Div section. Let's check that. Make that style. Make that a border and take 2 pixel. Sorry, take pixel. What? GROO groove and red.
Also take ID because we have made ID also there.
Where are you telling ID? Okay, for targeting that you're telling. Okay, we will go that. But we got a border. It came like this way. Okay, but we not want this one now. We want overall form to be in one border. Got my point? We want that.
Sir, one tag
border
field tag,
in
sir.
line number 22.
Field set, sir.
Line number
Field,
22.
I think.
22. So we can
Yes,
take
sir.
that border here.
Yes,
It
sir.
came completely. There is one more property, that is field set. Okay, with the help of field set also we can get that. So where we will pass that field set? FIEL field set. Okay, and write here. What you will write? First cut this
Form,
field
sir.
set
Pass form.
and pass
Yes, sir.
last of the
Closing
form.
line.
Closing of form means a complete form came inside this one. Got that?
Yes, sir.
Complete form came inside this field set. Let's save and let's see what happened. We got something border, correct? It's like padding itself. But here we can pass some data. Which form is this one? Registration form, suppose that. Registration form. So see, due to field set, what is the benefit? This registration form, whatever text be written, see where we have to pass some
Some
property.
attribute is there, sir. Yeah.
Sir, that property is legend.
Legend here.
Yes.
No, that is
Oh, sir,
that is-
inside.
second.
Field set inside you have to pass legend.
Okay,
Sir,
okay.
caption.
Got it. Caption will be in table only. Don't take always.
Yes.
Okay, got it. Means not here. Inside field set, we have to pass a legend then.
Yes, legend.
And here we can pass that this is a registration form. So just pass this one.
That's why I'm thinking you are passing inside.
We got here. Okay. Means you can imagine now the line is breaking and it looking that whatever text we had passed. If you want to design that, you can go with that.
Give this border.
No, border now not required. If you want a style, you can pass that a style. Suppose that for text color, if you want, go with a color and go with a red or something, whatever you want. Okay. And now if you want, as Pooja suggested for the div section, now you can take all div inside border. Got that? Whatever div is this one, you can pass now. So do one thing. I will make one style. Go with border 2 pixel solid and I will take color cyan. We got this one. Let it to be for right now. We will look later. So what is the demerit in this section?
It's occupying whole window, means left to right.
Whole window. What we can do? Next property.
We can reduce the width.
Width. Means width should be how much? We can take something. Go take a 25 pixel. Let's save. So 25 pixel came too much. 250 pixel.
200 pixels.
Fine. Okay, it's fine. What is the next demerit? So Pooja, Sweta, what is next demerit in this case? Don't tell that no, there is no demerit.
Width is greater than the enter name ABC is short.
Let it to be that one. Go another demerit.
Sir,
Yeah,
it is looking bad.
it is looking large.
Bad, sir.
Bad.
Yeah, sir.
That's why I asking that what we will have to pass.
It's looking not as sexy, sir. It's looking bad.
So see what is required, that line means a text whatever is there and the border both there is no any gapping. What we will do? Any idea? Don't tell that no idea. Otherwise I will shut down laptop now itself. If anybody will tell that no idea, then I will shut down laptop.
Further, no class.
Then class got clear. Over. Now you are HTML developer.
Yes.
Okay. So we got all border. Fine. Next, what is that? Padding. Go with padding. Padding, take 25 pixel. Save. This I was asking, but nobody is speaking. Here, there was some space required for that one. Go 9 pixel. Clear or not? Now it's looking good or not?
Yes.
Go with the. Now it's fine at least somewhat. Now go with the background color. Let it to be background color. It will come automatic. Now again the demerit for the button. Okay. For the legend also the demerit. Legend is going means this one is going. Field set is going in full body. I not want. How I can reduce? Go field set and take a style. 1 second. Why not? I can take the style here itself with this FIELD field set and comma. Save. It came that. Fine. Clear?
Yes.
Now it's looking good at least. Clear? But one demerit regarding the button. What we can do? For button, we will take one margin not required. Just take inside the div and see automatic that will come. Okay. But again, some demerit. It touching that above one.
So you get that margin top.
So we want a margin.
ID name, sir.
ID let it to be. If I will write all code, then what you all will do? Okay. So what be required? Margin. Go with margin. Where? Top, bottom, which side?
Margin top.
Top only. Take 12 pixel. Let's see. So now the space is there. Okay. And what was the margin for this? Padding is there 9 pixel. Okay. Let it to be. So I will take somewhat more here. Give something 15 pixel. That's it. So this way we designed our button, but a button is not looking good. Give that a style for the button also. A style.
Center.
Background color. Okay. And go with some color, anything. We got this one, but button is very small. What we can do?
Padding. No padding.
Height and width.
Yes.
Height. Take that 250 pixel. Let's see how much it's going. It gone too much. I not want this much. Get 50 pixel. Fine. And go with width. See, this way we are thinking to design. Okay.
50 pixel.
Go 75 pixel. We have to find out where is the issue. Then you will easily get the idea.
And that text align center. Make it center. Text align.
So it's not look like a button.
It's not looking, no? That's correct.
So Dharmender, what we have to do that it will look like a button?
Dharmender, do one thing. Order pizza. We will think this is a button. Don't worry. Okay. So see, we taken that button, remove the border. It will be fine. How we can remove the border? No idea.
Yeah,
border property none, sir.
Morning we had removed that border. Border, yes. Just none. Save. Dharmender, is it looking now?
Yeah, sir, but some width required.
Yeah, wait. Go with 100. Now it's looking correct. But a text
Yes,
is something. Text is something small. What we can do? Which style?
text size.
See, wait 1 second. Shivani, how I can increase the text size?
Yes, sir.
What is the CSS for increasing text size? Anyone?
Font size.
Pooja's font.
Font size, sir.
Font size and
Font
width
size
can
we
be
can take 25 pixel something. It got increased. I want the same text size for all. What I can do?
At the top, you have to mention yes over here.
I don't know it will work here or not. Let's see. Oh, it worked on all case.
But how it's working?
Yeah, because it came in the parent itself.
So parent.
If is the parent.
Yes, good.
Okay, now it's looking somewhat good. Correct. This somewhat is good. Now the main, these all are trailers only. Now the movie is pending here. I'm going to uncomment this section because this was the movie. Okay. Now see, we going to design internal section with the help of
Sir,
this. How do you go? 1 second.
It's look like a Bhojpuri movie.
Ravinder, 1 second. So now how do you realize how we had designed this complete section? Sweta, Pooja, Praful, Roshan.
yes, sir.
Clear how we had designed this complete section? See,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I starting, what was there? Starting time, nothing was there. We started with the form. We get the form. After that, we think regarding the design. We taken one by one. Border we had taken. Then we taken next step for the coloring part. Then button was not looking good. Then we had taken something stylish for the button. Then we got, means one by one we had done. Correct. So same thing we have to do. Means this way we have to think. Take this border radius, then it will be look good. Border radius and take 20 pixel. Okay, now it's fine. If there is a need to make capsule type something, you can take this. It will work like that way. It will make that design. Suppose, okay, fine. So next came to our design. This one code. What is that? Attribute selector. Had you study attribute selector? What we by doing? We by targeting in case of attribute all the attribute section. Suppose that this is a label. Okay, so come to the for also. So what is for? In for case, now see, we can click on enter mobile number. We can click on top label. I clicking on the label, enter name. I clicking on gender. I clicking on date of birth, but nothing is happening. And if I will click inside that, inside the field, then it going to highlight. What I will do, I will pass something in the for. But one thing you have to take care, whatever you passing inside for, okay, and that should be same as a ID. Okay. And just you have to realize and you have to tell me what you had observed. What you observed here. Anything or not? Wait, let me remove this value first. Then you will realize. So now you have to take care in the input field, inside the input field. I clicking on the above label, just above label. What happened?
Okay.
Sir, this name, enter name only for input this section.
Wait,
No.
1 second, 1 second.
You
Wait.
click the label, its effect
See,
on text box.
I going to click on label. I not clicking inside. Take care.
Yes.
What happened?
So effect in text box.
When I clicked on the label, automatic you got the focus inside that particular field. Means that related field. Suppose if I will click on mobile, where is that focus? No focus. Because we had not combined that. But what I will do, I will pass that thing there also. Do one thing by mistake done common for all. Take that for name field itself. Okay.
Mobile.
Means what happened in mobile, here ID for should be this one, mobile, and then only this going to combine. But what I had done, I not done like that. I taken by mistake in for this one, this field. Okay, now save and see what it will do. Click on enter name.
It will be
Focus
fetch
got highlighted.
mobile text box.
Focus got highlighted. Now click on the label of mobile number. What happened? Where
Again,
is that highlight? Where is the focus? Focus is the enter name, because we had given by mistake the for name common for this input field. So from two place we are highlighting that section. Got it? Don't think that same time it will focus all field. No, it's not possible. It will focus only one section in one time. So what it had done, it had it with the help of for, okay, it going to group in the sense it will help you to focus. So you can pass same thing, but ID should be same. This for name and ID, this should be same. Clear? This way we have to pass in all case. No need to pass here. If you want, you can pass. Then came here, DOB field. Take this ID. Input field means ID of input field, and ID means name. This one for here it should be same. If you taking this ID, label ID, and when you passing here, and for will be only with the label. Label will have the for, and this have ID. Okay. So don't take the label ID. Label ID not. That input ID should be required. Then take this password and pass inside for. Save. I'm not going to do all. Mobile number, it focus. Okay. Password, it get focus. See, why I telling it get focus or not? If I want, I can put cursor in directly here. It got highlight, but I not doing that. I clicking on the top, and automatic you getting that section. Clear?
Sir.
Yeah.
Is this really need in real-time scenario?
Yeah, we are using that.
Okay.
Sir, one doubt. Every time using same ID this field.
Same ID, this field.
Yeah.
You
Mobile field.
You telling for mobile field, this ID should be everywhere same ID. Correct?
Yeah. Yes.
Means this ID I have to pass with or for this all for whatever is there. Correct?
Yeah, sir. But
Means,
no, sir. I says every time I want to change the another ID to.
yeah. Okay, got it. So you want that if for another field you have to change this ID also and this for also. Correct?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. So you have to write that. Means whatever you are writing, suppose that this is your DOB block. Okay. So inside DOB block, for should be same as ID of the input field. By that we are going to correlate both together. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yeah. Don't pass same ID. That's why see starting what I had done. By mistake I had passed same for I means same ID name. You can tell ID name in two for case. Two for case. Then what happening? If you clicking this for means if you clicking this label, then also it was highlighting name field. When you clicking enter name, then also highlighting this, because from two place we are targeting same input. Anyone any this doubt now? Tell me.
Okay, sir. I just want to mention one thing. Just come down a little bit, sir. Okay. Just yes, line number 42. So I in input after that you have taken ID. So instead of ID, if we are going to take class.
No, then
so
it will not work. ID should be, because unique should be there. Class is not unique thing. Correct? Same class we can take multiple.
Okay,
correct or not? That's why.
But for identification we are using that ID. Suppose instead of ID I have to write class, and then class value I will same writing for value. On that,
it will not work.
Yes, means basically I'm telling along with right now is working ID.
Yeah.
With class it will be work or not?
No, that will not work. That I telling.
Okay.
Means suppose that if you take an ID name same as class name. Okay, this type. Now both have same.
Yes, and
It will. Yeah,
and
for name also having same.
Remove the ID.
Yeah, I getting your question, but I not thinking that it will work. Mobile block. Okay, let it to be. Not worked. Got it.
Yes. Means
Because
ID
it want. Yeah, but yeah, one thing you can do. Suppose you had passed the same name for ID and same name for class, it will work because anyway he getting from the ID. Correct or not?
Yes.
It got highlighted.
So what logic behind it's working along with ID? It's not working with class.
ID is for identification purpose. That's why. So next, you can do experiment Google. Okay, you will get more and more idea. Now, what I do going to do? So everyone got clear regarding for or not? Anyone having any doubt? Except Samir and Praful. Other no having doubt. Okay. Nobody is speaking means all clear. All clear have two meaning. Okay. What I getting that I understand. Okay. Next. What is attribute selector? Anyone? Fast. Within 10 minutes, I have to complete this. Now,
Sir,
how much
can
speed you will keep? Yeah.
So attribute selector that adding CSS with the help of attribute used in the element tags, HTML tags.
Mardeep, slowly. Mardeep, slowly.
So say one thing.
You thought that within 5 minutes we will complete. You moved that much of speed. Okay, that's correct. Whatever you told. So what he telling, with the help of attribute selector, we going to target attribute of the tag. Attribute. Okay, like suppose that. Where it gone? Recording is going on or not? Otherwise, complete whatever we design it missed.
No. In the starting time, I already knocked you.
Okay. See.
So you started.
Yeah, I think I had one time check that. Anyone?
Sir, I think recording is not going on. Yes, going on, sir.
Okay. Means nobody wake up. Everybody is sleeping. Oh, Mardeep shared that image.
No, sir.
Wait.
No, sir.
Now,
No, sir, we are here.
oh, Afroj, you are our chief guest.
Approach, sir. Approach, sir.
No, sir, no. Chief guest, sir. I joined 5 o'clock, sir.
Congratulations, you are coming.
You are the winner. Okay. So in attribute selector, okay. So what are the attribute for input field? Can anyone? Pooja, Sweta? Fast. What are the attributes for this field? Ritvik.
Name and name.
Okay. What about ID? Is this attribute?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about value? Is this attribute?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about placeholder? Is this attribute? What is name? Attribute or not?
Yes.
What about type? Is attribute or not?
Yes.
So accept this input. Okay. This input, what is this one actually? Attribute or what?
Tag.
That is tag. Accept this. Whatever is available, all are attribute. So what we going to do? We going to target that. In case of image, when we was studying attribute selector, that time we had targeted image. Okay. And one more thing, we had targeted anchor tag. In anchor tag, what we had done, we had taken target equal to underscore blank. Maybe if you was not sleeping that time, then maybe you have this idea. So that time we was focusing on this one, target blank. be by taking this attribute. So same thing we going to do here with the help of target, means a attribute selector. Okay, we going to target. So what is our input? Input means all input tag, correct? Whatever input tag, all are input tag, only except this select, and I think radio button is also input. Yeah, and button.
Yes, right.
This thing, all are input. So what we had done, we passed the input, and after that square bracket. Okay, and inside which attribute you are targeting, that is the main thing. Okay, so we are targeting type equal to what? Text.
Yes.
Do one thing, remove this type equal to text and comment this also. Let's see later. So we take an input type, means now what it will do, whatever input field have type attribute. So let's see whether how many have type attribute. Do one thing, copy this, paste and save and search. Total 11 type have, means now it will got effective with all type attributes. So what it will got effective? Background color is something. I going to change color. Background color is this one, and margin bottom is something. Then display is block. Then width is 50%. This width is 150. So let's save and let's see. Had you got in all type, wherever we had passed type, and what is this? This is block, and due to block, it broken into new line. Correct or not? Clear?
Yes, yes.
So what we had taken? We have taken type, but we not want. We want a type equal to some particular. So we can pass that type equal to text. Suppose that text. Let's save. It now got effective only for particular. Type equal to text. Now anyone having any doubt, tell me. So like this way, we can target particular. Otherwise, you can target directly input field also. Do one thing, remove this and save. That also doing the same thing. But why we had taken attribute selector? Can anyone?
Yes,
3 minutes more you have.
Because we will not take attribute, then it will be effect on date of birth also. So
Yeah,
date of birth is
we
not
want, what we want who all is like type equal to text, that should be like this way. Okay, that's why we can pass particular we can go with like type equal to text. Means now I not want type, I want something another. Can anyone tell another attribute what is available in input? Shivani, tell me. You are sleeping, I think. Both Shivani. What is another
No,
attribute?
sir. Value.
Value
Value,
or
sir.
placeholder?
Value, name, type.
Okay, let it be. I know that you're not sleeping. Okay. Now I will not take value, that I will take placeholder. Okay. And let's see and check whether it going effective or not. So wherever placeholder available, it going effective. Because see, only two have the placeholder. Enter name, enter mobile number. Password have no placeholder. That's why it's not. Clear how we going to target that particular section? Anyone having any issue? Now tell me. But with the help of this type, we can design our form too much attractive. I showing you something.
Yes, sir.
Increase width equal to that one. Fine. Take padding. Padding will work. I don't know. 12 pixel. Yeah. We got this much space inside. Fine. I wait. Remove this. Take 10 pixel. And what width is going to do? Okay, width, it will give you the width. Fine, let it to be this also. Okay, we can increase and decrease the width section, not an issue. Next, block level element. If you taken block level element, no need to pass this BR tag. Each section wherever we pass the BR tag, because I don't know whether that will for label we have to pass or not. Let it to be. Let's see. Okay, due to block level, it came directly. Okay, so no need now that BR tag. Remove this BR, but I don't know regarding div. In div we have to pass. Okay, so now if you want, you can remove this BR tag in the last, because automatic you have the block level element. Now second, what you want? I want that design. Okay, one more attribute selector is here. I want for the button. Okay, what we had done, input type equal to button. So particular section you can do, means I not telling that only for one section. No, you can go particularly, means each style you can pass whatever you thinking. Okay, you can do and you can pass that. Let's check opacity whether it will work. 1 second. So what in the case of button it doing, input, see this not going to work because we had taken input type equal to button or not. Check what we had taken. What we had taken. Will it work?
Absolutely not work.
It will not work because input type is not there. Type equal to button is not there. Our type is just button. So it will not work. But if you will pass input type equal to button, then that will work. Let's see that. Input type equal to button. Let's save and see. It got something. And value. CLICK, click me. Got this? This way we can take, and now input type equal to button, width is equal to something, margin and block. See, due to that it came that much width 120 pixel, and pass the background color. Background color, take something. See, we got a design from here. Got it? And now if you want, suppose that I want opacity. Let's see, I don't know regarding it will work or not. So take 0.5. Let's save. We got opacity. Somebody was asking regarding this one, that how we can pass a opacity in the text input field. So this way we can pass.
Take 0.3.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
clear? So this way we can, I'm not going to design this all. Okay, I'm going to comment this line of code. Okay, let it to be this one. Now came to my design and uncomment and save. You got this section. Okay, due to block it coming like that. So we can manage and we can design like this way. Clear or not? Anyone having any issue in form design, you can tell me.
Yes, sir. In CSS, in button section, why we are giving display block?
Display block for occupying this complete section.
Yeah.
That's it.
Button
Otherwise, button is inline. So it will means BR tag is required. That's why we converted all as a block level element.
Sir, 1 minute. Line number 18. Can you uncomment and see that what is coming? Sir?
Line number 18.
Display uncomment. Yes, sir.
1 second. Now I had commented this complete input itself. See.
Okay.
Okay. Fine. So, Pooja, Sweta, anyone having any issue? Amol,
No, sir.
Ritvik,
sir.
clear?
No issue.
Clear? Fine. So this way we can design our block. If you want this 100%, increase that, you will get in full width. Where is that? Width is equal to reduce pass percentage 100%. You got this way. Clear? So this way we can got a different design and we can create that form, whatever we want. So next, same thing is here. First name, last name, country, background, some
Yes,
color
sir.
is there. How we can do that? Background, some color. First,
In background.
of complete form.
Background. Sir.
Okay, go with the field set or otherwise form anywhere we can pass. Field set be given here. Okay, go there. Background color and take GR gray. Let's save. We got background color. Fine. This way we can design. Already be designed for the input field. Field name already, then button already be taken 100%. If we not want this much means a button like a capsule type. Okay, we can go and do another thing. What is that? Border radius. Where is that border radius? Where is that?
Inline, sir. Button can use.
Oh,
Sir, in button section, that having button section.
Yeah. We had taken here actually. that will design. Go 2 pixel. No, take 5 pixel. Okay, 10 pixel. Yeah, now it's looking somewhat okay. Clear? This way we can design. So go through the document. Now, if you have to design, you can take that. Nothing is there. Just we can take input field and this thing. Then padded input, different type of that. Okay, input is small and this input field means label is small and input field is fully. You can take 100% bits of the input field. You will got that. Suppose we want this input field to be 100%. What we will do? We will directly take in all input case, or otherwise directly you can take this here also 100%. Now you got this up to last border. Okay, we have to just consider this a proper 90%. Okay, this way we can increase and decrease. So next is input, then bordered input. Again you can design that. Already we had seen that for designing border again. Then border radius also I covered, means I covered all the things. There is just I going to revision purpose. That's it. Here I not want the input field. Then you want the border only. See, margin they passed something, box sizing, border this one border box, and then main thing is the border bottom. If you will take this style, then you will got directly input field in that case. Wait, I will take this. Where is that input placeholder I taken? Let it to be, remove this and type equal to text. Save. Get remove this type text also, and now pass this. And this line and paste this line of code. Where is I done mistake?
Curly bracket.
Here one curly bracket is required. That's it. Save. What we got? We got only this border. Okay. And due to a style that is coming like that way. So next, colored input. If you want to input type, means whatever you getting and giving that means text, you want the color, you can do that. You can pass the color. Okay. Then focus for input. We already seen how to focus that. Another thing is also there. You can go with the CSS and you can pass. Where that gone? Focus. Yeah, this one, the pseudo class of focus. Okay, when it's highlighting, it going to focus, then automatic you getting the background color this type. So do one thing, take this and remove this. It's not looking good. Take this one and input type equal to focus and input type equal to text. So take this one. What happened? Background color had changed or not? We can't realize this type. Now see, if I will click this, background color got changed. Fine, because we had focus, and on focus you getting to change. Which class we had used? We used a pseudo class focus. That's it. Clear? So with the help of this, we can design that. Next, input type. This is again the simple type. That's not thing extra here. Input with icon. Yeah, if you want to add this image icon there, you can do that also. Okay, but for that you have to take care regarding the position, absolute, and those things. I think that will come. Width 100%, box sizing they taken, border, font, image. Here they passed background image. Okay, and background image, and after that you have to take care on the position regarding this repeated or not. That you have to take care. Then you will got that. Let's take this. Input type equal to text. Let's comment this. I have not the search image. I will take my image. Take one. Let's save. Let's see. Where that gone? Oh my god, this much size is there. Because that image. I have to reduce it. Where is that? Height and width. Oh, by width is this one. That's right. Let's save. No, then also save. Oh, pixel is removed. Okay.
Sir, what you trying, sir?
I'm trying to make that image. Actually, icon is not there. If you will take icon, you can pass this icon in the background, and then you can shift that one. Then you will get that. Means we can add icon also. This type. Search icon is there like this way. Okay. You can do that by your. Then animated search input. Then again, same thing. Image you can pass, and these all property, we know that. These all property we can use one by one. That's it. So here CSS transaction property is there. This property we will learn more in the CSS, advanced CSS, not here. Let it to be. Then a styling text area. Yeah, this field got missed. Let's me complete that also. So what I want that if user giving some more suggestion, okay, user have to pass some more suggestion. So what I will do, we will take one field.
Suggestion text.
Suggestion text, not
text box.
That we will take a text area.
Oh yes, yes.
Fine. Text area, because it will give you more space to write that. So input, remove this and take label. COMMENTS comments. Okay. Here we can pass comments and LABEL label and pass here comments. Save. Let's see. This we got. How much we had passed a column 30 and row 10. Means see, when we will write up to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't tell me that you are writing 2 and you counting like that. So how much I had taken? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up to 10 it will take, because we have 10 row. But now if you entering more 11, then you getting a scroll bar. Okay. Got my idea? What is it going to do? With the help of this, how many row you passing, that much space it will take. Okay. If you taking only 2, now see, where is that? It came here. You can pass only 2 field. Now up to this, you will not get a scroll bar. But when you start typing another, you will get a scroll bar. Got it? This is working in this case. And with the help of this column, it giving you this space left side. As like a bit, you can imagine. Give 3. See, this came this much space. If you want to see here, pointer is there. You can increase by this way. Okay. But by default, if you want that user will enter somewhat big text, you can go with like this way. So with the help of text area, we can accept a comment or any more suggestion or anything from the user. Clear? Anyone having any doubt? Okay. Next.
No,
text
sir.
area. Text area be completed. Same thing. We can do that. A styling text menu. Suppose menu is there, and if you going to style that menu button, you can do that. Okay. Let it to be connect for this one, because we had not passed anything for select. So see here we had covered all the things, means all aspect. Where is that select? Yeah. So see, previously it was coming a small, now see it came big. Okay, because we had passed width 100%, padding, border none, and then border radius 4 pixel. That's why it came rounded. Do one thing, pass this 40 pixel, and let's see, it came capsule type. Fine. So, and background color is white. Change this color and take somewhat. So this way we can design our drop down also. Okay. Then menu is also a styling input button. Button already is in. If you want by that this purpose, By this way, you can go with this also. There is one button type reset. It's not going to do anything, but with the help of reset button, mostly we are taking that name and we are using for the resetting that one. So this is your form. First name, last name, country, subject. This type we have to create. Now already we created more than that, but due to some extra design, it got rubbish type. I going to take my own design now. Now tell me, anyone having issue in the form and issue in which one? Designing form. Anyone who is lucky guy who not get a single thing? Anyone that?
So what we are going to give any special treatment for them? If someone said I didn't get,
We will give party for that. I will order.
Then I would be first.
Sir, I am not getting anything.
Wow, great. Recording is going on, and I will send this recording to your parents. That these all guys had not got anything within 2 hours. Wait, you all had done the proof.
Sir, I will say my
Mummy is
parents
sitting
to this
beside
party.
me.
I
Sir,
giving you the
Mummy is
party.
sitting beside me.
That is important, sir.
Yeah, I giving you the party. Okay, so be covered up to form. And anyone having doubt? Ritvik, any doubt?
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay. धर्मेंद्र म्यूट. कुर्सी ले आओ और चप्पल ले आओ कर रहा है उधर से. ये सब मछली बाजार बना के रख दिया है ऑनलाइन क्लास को.
Sir, Afroz and Dharmender are roommates. Because
पता
Afroz
नहीं.
mic is on. And Dharmender sound is.
ये जो कंजूस लोग होते हैं ना वही हैं ये लोग. ठीक है. एक के मतलब नेट से काम चला ले रहे हैं दोनों.
सर कभी आप भी थे सर.
मैं तो अभी भी हूँ.
The recording is going on, sir.
Correct. Okay, so actually I was checking where is that error. Actually I passing this padding. Due to whom this came, that I passed that div in that section. Let it to be. Who is going to original this? Okay, so be completed up to day 11. Okay, there is no CSS in this section. Means basic CSS, advanced is there. We will cover that advanced CSS later. Okay, and tomorrow we going to start Bootstrap. So now we will configure Git for all. Which Git is not configured, we will do one by one. Float clear up to drop down be done, form be done. Then what is that? That is CSS counter. Then end of CSS. Okay, only 2 days is there, but we will not cover now. That's not much more important.
Okay, sir.
We will cover that later. While advanced CSS, when we start that time itself, we will cover that part also. So tomorrow we going to start Bootstrap. Time is 7 o'clock. A screen one by one. Your screens. Share your screen one by one. We will configure the Git. Who all not share?
Sir, 7 o'clock morning, sir.
Wait. I going to stop the recording first.